Hey guys, welcome back. So the first thing we're going to do is blend NYX Hot Pink eyeshadow all over our eye.
When the devil's in the mood, nightmare.
Why is you...
Like, how am I supposed to work? Like, I just walk in here. Don't move your mouth. Just do you.
How am I supposed to work under these conditions?
Come pouring out of hell.
Here I'm just taking a black eyeshadow and starting to shade out what's eventually going to be the jaw. You can use any black shadow you have. I started to outline what would be the nose. Later on you're going to see I changed the shape pretty much completely, so it doesn't really matter, you just want to mark out where your nose is going to be. Here I'm taking NYX Hot Fuchsia eyeshadow and the NYX Fuchsia SFX Creme color, and we're just pretty much going to slather that all over our faces.
When the devil's in the mood, nightmares come pouring out of hell.
Here I'm just taking a black eyeshadow and shading out where the shadows on your face would be. Then using a smaller, more detailer brush, I am darkening up the lines that were originally the outlines of our jaw.
Spooky.
Now we're still using the same black eyeshadow and just covering our entire lid and underneath with that color. Here I'm using the Jarlie Party Animal palette and taking the shade Bottoms Up and just using that as an eyeshadow. And then following with Suva Beauty's Scrunchie. This paint is actually UV light reactive, so I guess it's pretty cool if you go to a party that's going to have the black lights. And we're just setting that down where we put the Jarlie eyeshadow. Now we're using Scrunchie again and just pretty much putting that anywhere that still has your normal skin color. Now we're just going back and using the same black eyeshadow to start mapping out where our teeth are going to be. Here we're using Scrunchie again, and now we're just putting that in between the jawline and the shading. Here I am just using black eyeshadow to kind of create what looks like eye sockets for the skull. Now we're using Scrunchie again to go in between the teeth marks and map out exactly where the teeth would be. I'm just using regular white body paint to start drawing out the teeth. Using the same white body paint, you're just going to go ahead and start adding highlights all over the face. Now I lazily started just mapping out some more body marks for the skull. You can go more in detail with this, totally up to you. And here is our completed look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.